Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. MIUI updated, my account active, and your VPN choice decided. First, open Settings and search for VPN to see built-in options. If you chose third-party, install the recommended app from the Play Store. Once installed, grant network and storage permissions so the app can import profiles. Make sure you record your VPN server, username, and password now. This prevents interruptions during setup. Proceed to profile import immediately. Don't stall. Now you configure the profile step by step. In the app or settings, tap Add or Import and pick the protocol. Open VPN for flexibility, ICAV2 for stability. Enter the server address, port, username, and password. If you have a certificate, import it here. Adjust DNS to a private resolver if desired, then save. Test the connection using the app's Connect button. Watch the status messages for TLS or auth errors. Once connected and stable, consider enabling Always On, but only after a successful test. Finish by verifying your VPN actually routes traffic. Use an IP/DNS test or a geo-check while connected. If something fails, re-enter credentials carefully, confirm the protocol and port match the server, and check certificate dates. Mismatched TLS settings are a common culprit. Once done, reboot the phone and try reconnecting. If issues persist, toggle airplane mode to reset network stacks, then reinstall the VPN app. If all else fails, contact your VPN provider with logs for targeted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.